Hello. Welcome to Inspiration Week. I'm Stephen Watson. This is Fred. We're here practicing at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut. And today's Tàijíquán tip is to consider a yin-yang pair, birth and death, up and down, receiving, giving, big, small, blooming or rotting, whatever you like. And consider this. I like to do this particular tip, by the way, over the course of a week or two. So I'll do this considering for a week or two, and then I'll bring it into my practice. But maybe you can do it in a moment or two. And generally, what will happen is people will find that pair, and they'll find one that they kind of have a affinity for, or perhaps some inspiration from. But the particular tip here is to find inspiration in each half of the yin-yang pair. So it might be easy to be inspired by birth, but hard to be inspired by death. So the practice is to allow yourself to have an equal and unfavored inspiration from each half of a yin-yang pair. And then bring that to the edge of the practice, maybe bring it into some part of the practice, maybe fully infuse it into the whole of the practice so that you remain inspired by the totality of the Tàijítú through your practice. And get to writing your book about martial arts. We need you and your voice. Thank you. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.